Having a YouTube channel has allowed many people to grow a successful online business and earn thousands of dollars per month. But now with all these AI tools coming out when building a successful YouTube business, can AI do a better job than a human can? Keeping all the constants the same to make this test accurate, I'll create a YouTube business using AI and a human being myself. I'll show you the entire process and a step-by-step comparison in regards to time, effectiveness, and of course results. How to settle this once and for all: who can build a better successful YouTube business, AI tools or human being? The niche we'll be using in this video is space. Not only do I have experience in this niche, I already have a channel, so might as well. But the first area of comparison would be to generate a topic idea. So being in a space niche, if I wanted to come up with a topic idea, I would go over to Google and do a simple search for space. And then once I would have done that, I would scroll through and see what would be the latest news articles, write down articles I found were quite interesting, brainstorm, use creativity, and find a topic to try to talk about. Now, if I wanted to generate a topic idea using AI, in fact an AI specifically made for YouTube, you'd have to come over to vidIQ. You can find a link for vidIQ in the description of this video. But once on vidIQ, you're gonna come over to where it says AI Coach. Then in this section, I'm going to ask this prompt, and it says, give me 5 YouTube short video ideas in the space niche in the format of what would happen if fill in the blank. And just like that, in 10 seconds, I've been given 5 possible topic ideas. So all I have to do right now is choose one. Just so that we're keeping all constants the same, I'm gonna go ahead and use this topic for the comparison. So now it's time to generate the script. Coming back to vidIQ, I would go ahead and copy the topic that I'm going to make the video about, and then I would go to the AI generator and simply paste this in and hit go. And as you can see, vidIQ has generated us a video script. Not only the video script, but we have our title, description, thumbnail backgrounds, and even a voiceover. So besides all that other amazing stuff it did, we now have our script. Now for generating the script as a human being, what I would do is come over to Google and search, can humans land on the sun? Because this is the video I want to create. Then I would just scroll through and find different articles. For example, this one. So I would look at this information and then I would go ahead and copy some of it and then paste it into a notepad. And then from there, I would go about getting information from Google and then pasting it into a notepad and creating my script that way. So now that I have my AI script and I also have my human script, the next step is creating a YouTube video, specifically a YouTube short. And in order to do this, we're going to be using InVideo. You could find a link for InVideo in the description. But once on InVideo, what I'm going to do is head over to where it says AI text to video. And then I'm going to select where it says portrait because this is a YouTube short we're creating. And then I'll look through all these options, placing my mouse head on top of each of them and seeing which one I like the overall theme of. Don't worry too much about the background images because you will be changing that later. Then when I found one I like, I'll just go ahead and select it. And then I'm going to click use templates. And now that I have this, is asking me to insert my script. So what I'm going to do is head back over to vidIQ and then hit where it says copy to copy the entire script. Come back over to InVideo and then paste it in there. Note well that every time you have a space like over here, that will be a new slide. So be sure you space out your different slides accordingly. And once I've done this, I'll go ahead and click iStock as well as Premium, and then I'll click create scenes. And now all I have to do is wait for InVideo to put the video together. So now that InVideo has created this, as you can see, each individual space we made is a different slide. If we go over to edit, it has gone ahead and created these slides for us. But all I need to do now is replace those stock footage to have stock footage that actually fits what we're talking about. So I'd head on back over to the storyboard and click where it says videos, and then I would do the search for sun. And now again, InVideo has given us thousands of copyright free images I could use. So now I'd go ahead and take this one, drag it onto this layer, and then click trim to fit scene and click add. And then now you can see it's already been cropped and it's added in. So I'd go ahead and do this for each image. And now that all the images have been replaced, I can go ahead and add a voiceover. Now I don't need to get one from here because vidIQ already gave us that voiceover, which I can go click on the 3 dots and hit where it says download, come back over to InVideo, go to where it says uploads, and then I can locate the voice notes from vidIQ and upload it to this. And now that it's been uploaded, all I need to do is click onto where it says add as a layer, and now the voice note has been added. So now to add a background sound, I can click where it says music, search for the type of music I want, for example space, find one I like and hit the add as a layer button. So now all I need to do is download it. So I'll click where it says export, ensure that 1080p is selected, click export again, and then as you can see, InVideo will begin generating my video. So all I'll then need to do is hit where it says download. Now when it comes to editing this video as a human, I would not be using text to speech because I'd have to generate this entire video from scratch. So what I'd do is find myself to InVideo again, and then I'll come to where it says editor, and then I'll click portrait. So now that I'm in this blank scene, I have to create every single aspect by myself. So in order to add in the text, I'll click where it says text, pick a plugin that I like, and then I'd go to my notepad where I keep my text, copy each individual line, and then click on the text, click where it says edit, and add the line. And then I'd have to go ahead and adjust it and place it onto my scene where I would like. In order to add in the videos, it would be done the same way. And now I have my little sun and then my text showing up. Now I can go ahead and adjust this image if I want. Now I would have to do this for the entire video by copying line by line and pasting it in. And then once I would have done that, in order to add my voiceover, I'd have to click where it says voiceover and then click record my own voice. Once once that's shown up, I would click on this voiceover and say the script out loud. What would happen if a human tried to land on the sun? So now that my voiceover has been added in, I can go ahead and crop this to make sure that it's the length of my voice. There's no silent parts. Click add it in. So now that it's here, I need to go ahead and cut both of these because they're too long. I'd click on it, click on this one too, click cut, and then I would just delete both of this. And don't worry if I said this all too fast. I've created an entire video step by step showing you how to create YouTube shorts using InVideo like this actually good one. You can check out that video in the link in this description. But in the meantime, I'll go ahead and finish this entire video off. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and added in all the text, the different media, voiceovers, as well as the music on my YouTube short video. In order to export it, I export it the same exact way that I exported the other video. Next, we need to talk about how exactly do you go about monetizing this content. Well, actually, you can go about doing this in several ways. The first way I like to recommend on my channel is by utilizing affiliate marketing. This is the most passive way you can go about making money before you're actually monetized with AdSense, of course, and that is where you promote other people's product and you get a percentage of that sale when somebody purchases using your link. I have many videos on my channel, you can check that out. The other way you can go about monetizing is by using AI to create many different digital products that you can sell, and that ranges from print-on-demand products, Amazon KDP products, courses. The list can go on and on. Use your wildest imagination. When it comes to monetizing this channel, you think what business model that you want to go with, and then you just create content around that model. In order to make this test accurate, I'm using Amazon Associates, and I have labeled them Space Stickers 1, which would be for the AI, and Space Stickers 2, which would be for the human products. So if you were to go ahead and visit that link, when the individual clicks that link, as you can see, it takes them to some space stickers on Amazon, and if they make a purchase, I'll get paid a commission for this. And it's the same exact thing with this one as well. So this is how we'll go about monetizing this channel. The next step would be uploading the content to YouTube. So in order to do this, you would come over to your YouTube channel and click where it says create, and then click where it says upload video, and then locate the file that you downloaded from InVideo. So for this one, I'm going to be locating the video that AI created. So now that I've done this, as you can see, YouTube has added in my video, but now I need the most important factors which actually help a video go from being nothing to being actually something and getting a good amount of views, which will get you the money. So in order to do this, we're going to be going back to vidIQ where we generated our script, and remember, it had given us everything else we needed. We can go ahead and copy the title of this video, come back over to YouTube, and then simply paste it in. And then we're going to do the same exact thing for the description. Hit copy, paste it in, and then now for the tags, we're going to go back over to vidIQ. Seeing our tags, for example, solar system, we can just copy this and then we can paste it in. Not only have we added our tag in, but we now see this overall score for this tag. So you can go ahead and do this for each of these tags. Here's a trick to really get views on your video. Head over to the keyword inspector. So now that I'm in a keyword inspector, what I've done is I've added in 5 keywords that I think could probably work along this headline, and as you can see, it's given me a bunch of different keywords that I can target, and it's telling me about the competition as well as the search volume. I can look through this entire list and find ones with low competition and high search volume, and when I found one that I like to add it into my shot, all I would have to do is click the plus button, and then if I close this over here, as you can see, all these keywords have been added into my video. So now that I've done this, I can't forget the most important factor, our affiliate link. I'll come over to where we have the affiliate link, copy it and paste it in. Once I've done that, I'm gonna come over to where it says availability, select public, hit publish, and then we're not done yet. Now that the video has been published, I'm going to actually go to the link of this video, and then I'm going to click comments, and then I'm going to add in a comment saying click here for space goodies, and then again add in our affiliate link, so just in case that they don't even look in the description, they could at least see it here within the comment section. Now I need to upload my human generated video. So now that I've added in the video, I need to go ahead and do the same exact thing. Generate my title, my description, and my tags, but this time I can't use the help of AI. I have to come up with this information just using my brain, just writing stuff down, and hopefully it works, right? So I just made up tags from my head. I added in a cute little description as well as my title. So now of course I need to add in my affiliate link. I added in my call to action line, and then I'll go ahead and hit publish. So now as you can see, both videos have been uploaded, and the AI video already has 3 views. So let's see how this will perform. I can find a link for vidIQ in the description of this video, and I have a great deal for you. You can get your first month of vidIQ for only $1, and you'll get access to everything you need to actually grow a successful channel. And trust me, if you want to turn your YouTube from a mere hobby into a cash machine, you would want to get vidIQ, and I've snagged you the $1 deal, so be sure to use it. Now it's time for the final results. Is the AI tools better than humans in creating a YouTube business? I know you're probably at the edge of your seats, and I am too. When it comes to cost effectiveness, AI would have to take the cake, because when it comes to running a successful YouTube channel, hiring an editor and scriptwriter alone can at least cost you $400 per video, and that's if you happen to get a good one. Now when you use AI tools, for example something like InVideo and vidIQ combined together, that costs you less than $60 a month to create as many videos as you want. So compare $60 $60 for unlimited stuff or $400 per video. Now when it comes to content quality, I would say it's a little bit 50-50 for me on this one. Let me know what you think in the comments. So what I have to say is that AI makes the process way more efficient in regards to coming up with a script, the title, and every other aspect of the video. That was done within a click of a button with AI. But I would say as a human who did it, if you use what AI gave you and you also added onto it with information you found on Google and other reliable sources, then you can end up with the ultimate script. But I would say AI did a pretty great job in coming up with this information itself. So if you want a bit more of your personality, I would say use the script that AI gave you and edit it for yourself to get your personality into that, which is why I say in this section I think they balance each other out, and it would say that AI could be necessary to help you make your own script writing process more effective. And now in regards to video creation, I think AI can do a good job in coming up with good quality videos, especially if it comes to creating lots of videos in a short period of time. I think AI takes the cake on that. But I will say if you want to come up with really great quality videos, human does the job, because you can spend 2 hours, 3, even 4 hours editing this video from scratch and making it be the most amazing video to ever touch the face of the internet. Now when it comes to total time spent on creation, when it comes to AI, we spent a total of 35 minutes from start to finish. When it comes to human, that's when time got a bit longer. It spent about an hour and 20 minutes. So that's more than double the time in order to create this. So I'd have to say AI takes the cake. You want to spend less time, you use AI. And now for the moment you've been waiting for. Drum roll please. Which one gave the best outputs? And by that I mean the number of views as well as the clicks on our affiliate link. So based on this test, I think it's good to say that the help of AI tools will make you build a better YouTube business, be more time efficient, and earn more money. That's not to say that you should only use AI tools and not depend on anything else, but implementing AI will definitely benefit you. So why haven't you implemented this into your YouTube channel yet? But do let me know your thoughts on this comparison in the comments below. I'd love to talk to you guys about this. And if you want to learn more ways you can make money online, be sure to check out this other video on my channel.